So welcome back to BMS Speed Shop. There she is, Cindy Lou. She's got the 1-inch Outback springs installed, and I got the Motegi rims with the open countries on there. The 2019 cinnamon brown pearl Outback. I don't know if you guys have been watching the channel, but I had the car for 2 years, so I got her the rims and the lift for our 2-year anniversary. And just got them installed yesterday, and I love it. The ride is so much better, and the look, I think it really turned out nice. So I got the Outback 1-inch, and I think it gave it more than an inch, to be honest with you. Had alignment done. Seems to ride really nice, and nice and firm. I think it's going to be better in the wind. And then I had a hard time picking wheels, but I went with the Motegi MR 139s, and I'm running Toyo Open Country AT2s, and thought I'd give you a walk around and what it looks like when it's all done. I also got the Legacy all done too. I got that back from the shop, so just the beater. It's a pretty nice beater though. I mean, heck of a lot nicer than any beaters I'm used to. So I thought I'd give you guys a walk around and show you what's going on over here. The Subaru Nation. Ice races are supposed to be next weekend, but I don't know if it's going to happen. So it's pretty warm out. But yeah, my lifted Outback, finally, for 2 years I've been wanting to get this thing done, so yeah, stay tuned. I got more plans. Next I'm gonna get some bigger tires on here, and maybe some subframe spacers, strut bars, sway bars, window tint. I got some more plans for it, so thanks for watching. If you're new, if this is your first time checking it out, hit the subscribe button.